Hello, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. This is a video about Facebook Messenger. Are you tired of your light mode in your Facebook Messenger? Here I'm going to show you how to turn a dark mode, to enable dark mode in your Facebook Messenger. So you can see here you can turn the light mode and dark mode. It depends on you. Here I'm showing the easy step to do it. So let's jump right into the video. So guys, before we get started, you need to install those apps. You need to install the later version of Facebook Messenger, the later better version. This Facebook, you can see here. You also need to install this app, Terminal Emulator. Now you need to you can find it on Google Play Store. Go here and enter Terminal. Here you have it. Just open it. There you have it. You have, this is how you look when you open it. So guys, let me tell you that this tutorial is only for those who have a rooted mobile. So if your phone is not rooted, you need to find a way to root it before getting the dark mode on your Facebook Messenger. So guys, enough talking, let's jump into the practice. Now that Facebook Messenger and Terminal Emulator are installed, you can see here, go here and see there we don't have a dark mode option here. After the process you will see dark mode somewhere here. Now there's nothing, as you can see. Now go back and open now go and open Terminal Emulator. Now to active to grant the work access, just tap SU, hit enter. It will show super. Now you need to grant the permission for super user for the root access. Grant. Tap exactly and carefully this AM start your N to .com .facebook .ok. Be careful, tap exactly this guys. Come again, .facebook .ab test. And now .gk 12 .g capital letter K, and setting with S in capital letter again, list with L in capital letter. Now activity with capital letter. Now it's all. Make sure that you have entered exactly this. I'll post it somewhere on the screen, so be careful. Now hit enter to open. Okay, great. Now we can continue. Just click here, search gatekeeper, click on it. Now you have to find dark, enter dark. Okay, now here you have the first one is yes, we need to turn on this on yes. Just click on it to turn to yes again. Now it's okay. Go back. Now it's almost done. You have to close the terminal app and open Facebook Messenger to enjoy the dark mode. Let me back to this first. Now open Facebook Messenger. You can see we're still in normal mode. Now go here in option. Here we have it. We have dark mode here. Guys, now we have dark mode. Just click to turn it on. Yeah, there we have it, guys. So that was basically it. We have Facebook in dark mode. Yeah, that was basically it. Facebook Messenger used to have the dark mode, but not anymore. You have to hold your device to turn it on again. So if you don't know how to hold your device, just let me know and I will make a tutorial about your device. Thank you for watching, guys. Hope that it was helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe. See you.